Now, I've been driving around the last couple of weeks, not exactly doing that, but having to get closer and closer each time I open the car, and also sometimes getting in the car and the key's not recognised and having to do that before I start. That's the joys of being in the motor trade, being lazy. All you have to do, I'm not sure which camera to show you on, but I'll show you over here. All you have to do, the button there at the back, pull that key out. Then there's at the back of the silver button there, press on there, pull that slot out. Normally there's a battery in, but for the purposes of this exercise, I put a new battery in this morning and I've just taken it out, so it brings up that fault. There's a flat side and a kind of round side, or rounded off side. The flat side goes to the bottom and then just slots back in like so, and that's it. That's a new battery in. It's as simple as that. Honestly, I've been driving around and that is motor dealers for you. Just lazy, really.